Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the equations for the systems of equation worksheet we had to do for homework. I'm just going to set them up and you can solve them yourself. So here's for number 2. All right, so we have Eddie, the elf, made 13 toys one day in the workshop. Some were dolls and the rest were figures. The number of action figures he made was 1 more than twice the number of dolls he made. How many dolls and action figures did Eddie make? So I know X is going to be dolls, Y is action figures, and so I know altogether he made 13. And I know the number of action figures he made, so Y is action figure, so Y equals, is going to be twice, 1 more than twice the number, so 1 plus 2x. And this would be a good one to solve with systems. Substitution, sorry. They're all systems. Da, 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 da. All right, number 3. After the big snowstorm, Joe and Jim decided to shovel driveways for money. Jim shovels 3 less than twice as many as Joe. So first we have to go, X is going to be Jim, Y is going to be Joe, and we are going to have 2 times, so 2 times Jim, and then minus 3 will give us Joe. And then they shoveled a total of 15 driveways, so X plus Y equals 15. And you can solve that one. Again, I would do substitution, would make sense. For your high school's having a competition where students have to guess how many candy canes are in a jar. The 10 digits is 4 more than twice the 1's digit. The sum of the 2 digits is 4. How many candy canes are in there? So I'm going to say X is the 1's. Y is going to be the 10's. So twice the amount of the 1, so 2x plus 4, because it's saying 4 more, is going to be my Y. And I know the sum x plus y equals 4, because the sum of the 2 numbers is 4. And again, substitution would probably work best here. Number 5. We did in class, so we're going to do 5. 6. All right. Hats and mittens are on sale at the store. One says 5 hats and 4 mittens cost $30. Another purchased 3 mittens and 2 nets for her $19. So I'm going to use X for hats, Y for mittens, and I know 5x plus 4y equals 30. And I know 3x plus 2y equals 19. Then we're going to figure out the cost. I would probably use elimination for this. Well, I would. 7, Veronica got 3 times as many gifts as Natalie. So Veronica is y. So y equals 3 times Natalie, who's x. And we have total, they got x and y. They got 12 gifts. I do substitution for this. 8. Jeremy and Julie each drink a cup of hot coffee. Jenny put 6 more marshmallows in her cup than Julie. So X is going to be Jenny. Y will say Julie. So X is going to equal, she put 6 more than her friend. And together they put 6 marshmallows in. Y. And I would use substitution for this, would make more sense for 8. 9, we have Bobby lists is 3 more than twice as many of Johnny, so 3 plus 2x equals y. And together we know that Johnny asked for 8 fewer items than Bobby, so fewer y minus 8 equals your x. And that was 9. And 10, Monica has 2 artificial Christmas trees in her apartment. The taller tree is 1 foot shorter than 5 times the height of the smaller. So we're going to have x is the tall, y it says is the short. So I want to have 5y minus 1 gives me my height of the tallest one. And we know they both total they would be a total of 60 inches tall. So x plus y equals 5 because I'm going to make my 60 inches into feet in order to graph this. You don't necessarily need to, but it wouldn't. The order pair won't fit onto our graph for the solution. And that's 10. I'll do one more with you. 11, because I know how exciting this is. Allentown got 2 feet less snow, 2 feet less than twice the amount of snow of Georgetown got. So X we're going to say is Allen, Y is George. So 2Y minus 2 equals Allentown. And we know Allentown got 3 feet more than Georgetown, so Allentown got 3 feet more than that. And that is most of your problems. You'll have a couple more to do, but you should probably be fine. Good luck!